Don't buy a single decoration item until you have watched this. Welcome to Headway Event Academy. So today we are going to be talking about simple basic decoration tools or equipment every beginners need. So number one, we have scissors. It is very essential for the cutting of your items that you need to cut. Number two is hammer to nail on the wood or on the concrete. So nailing actually comes with the nail. So we have basically three different types of nail. Fine, let's say four different types of nail. We have this concrete nail, which is popularly known as tornado. We have this wooden nail that the carpenter used to use. We have this tower clip or clip nail. We used to call it clip nail. That's also used for pleating when you use to the nail, when you use to pleat, you need to pleat on the concrete surface. And we have this tack nail, all these small ones, black small tack nails that shoemakers or these people used to use often. So next is the pins. We have different types of pins. We have office pin. I'm sure that majority of us will be very familiar with this office pin. Look at it, we have office pin. Then if it is not in this container, it's going to be in a red card paper container. Then we have thumb pin. This one is called thumb pin. If you want to pin something on the surface, on the wooden surface, you can easily use your hand to pin it on it. Then we have tack pin of this. That one has a plastic head, but it's not here. That's a color plastic head, different color. That's a different color plastic head. And we have staple pin or shooter pin, which is the one which is leading us to the next item, which is making us to is used for this shooter or gun tacker. We call this shooter or gun tacker. So it's going to be inserted into the shooter and you pin it. Then it can easily be used to put clip fabric or any other item on a wooden surface, as you can see. Next is we have tape. This is a transparent or nylon tape used for taping of our item or taping of gifts. Then we have black tape. This is mostly used for electrical items, both with electrical items. You can also use this for electric, but this is most appropriate. You can also use this paper tape. This paper tape are where you need to label some stuff and you need to write on the labeling. So this is where this one is applicable. So we have these three tapes that we can use. So the next one is candle gun. This candle gun or wax gun. So this actually works with what we call candle wax or gum. So this is being inserted here. Why this is plugged into the light? Once it is being plugged into the light, there's an engine there that melts the candle and turns it into a hot paste. So in the absence of light where you are working, you can actually get lighter to use and melt this and apply it on the surface you want to use it on. The next one is ribbon. Ribbon. So ribbon, the most appropriate, this is a satin ribbon, tiny one. There are bigger ones, but the most appropriate also, you can also use this, but common one that we usually use is the paper ribbon. This will do work too, but the paper ribbon too is not bad. The next one is measurements. What we use for measurements. This is a measuring tape commonly used by tailor or fashion designers. And this is another measuring tape commonly used by carpenters. And there's this long one that they use for land measurement. You can also get that one too if you don't mind. So the next one we are talking about is balloon blower. We have electric and manual. That manual is this one that they used to use hand to do manually, but that's not here. So we have this one to show you. So this one, you plug this into the light while you operate it from here and here, and you put your balloons there to inflate to blow. So the next one is fishing line. Fishing line, you use this in tying your balloons, tying your stuff, tying your distance. So there's of different sizes. So the next one is your plier. Plier, in case you need to, like the shooter, like this thing I put here now, I can actually use the plier to remove it, to pull it. I can actually use the plier to pull it out. The next one is screwdriver. You can get a set of this screwdriver and you get a set of different sizes. You use in schooling and unschooling items, unschooling electrical or anything that has to be screwed. And do not forget, you need these two. This actually works together. This is a power bank. This is a power bank and this is your phone. Definitely you need communication. Your phone must be on at every point in time in case for client to get in touch with you. And your power bank, when you are going for venue, when you are going for, you have to make sure that your power bank is charged so that you can be able to power your phone and make sure your phone is not off. And finally, you need to have what we call the toolbox or a bag that you can put at your back. It has to be in black color. Thank you.